Hello YouTube, this is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to disable the hotkey on your phone because it's the one causing screen overlay detection on your phone. So for my case, this is what I'm talking about. If you try to tap on gallery and you allow, it's showing me this. That's the problem we are solving in this video. So I'm going to show you the easy way to disable that on your phone. If you see that on your phone, when you try to tap on any app you want to use and it's showing me that, you remove this thing, you go on settings. If you go on settings, you go on apps. Then if you reach apps, you go on this setting logo. You see this word, it's called the draw over other apps. So for my case, I look for, it's called a hotkey. It's not even shown on the desktop of your apps. So you click on it, you disable it, then after you're free to go back and check and see whether the problem has been solved. For my case, I may tap on gallery because it was the one I wanted to use in the first place. Then I allow. If I allow, it goes through, which means the problem has been solved. So thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.